Chandigarh is now open to the winged wonders of the nature, the range of colorful bird species that can acclimatize themselves with the changing weather conditions. The bird park is spread over an area of roughly 7 acres. It displays one of the biggest interactive bird aviaries to get acknowledge the real feel sighting of the birds and a close experience to fall in love with them. The budgerigars, lovebirds, have been separated from the rest apparently because of their small sizes. Each aviary has its own ecosystem and biomes have been created for them to be best close to the nature, as well complete protected cages from the scavengers. The duck aviary has wood duck, white swan and black swan kept as close to their natural habitat with natural looking waterfall. The birds can freely roam around. A point to understand here is that the presence of birds, animals and aquatic life is a necessity for the survival of human ecosystem. The bird park is beautifully landscaped. The Parrot aviary has rainbow, swainson and red colored lockheeds, cocktail parrots and Macau. It's a great place for the kids. The place opens every day from morning 10 until 4 in the evening. The entry ticket for children below 6 is rupees 30, rupees 50 for adults and rupees 100 is kept for the terrestrial birds in a special cage with a bird trainer for Macau parrots. The park originates its astrological connection with its climb in the star signs. Presence of swamps, old date trees are intact for all bird species that exist in this area. After a walk in the bird park, which is next to the Sukhna lake, you can enjoy your afternoon at the Lake Club restaurant, which has the views of the lake, a full food menu which offers Indian tandoori, Chinese, continental at very subsidized rates. The entry pass to the Lake Club restaurant is rupees 30 per person. Therefore, soak yourself in the sun under the gazebo or in their AC restaurant. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share the video.